You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting names from Ukrainian that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning how do you say it. In English it is said as Luhansk, Luhansk, Luhansk. Now in Ukrainian it is said rather similarly as Luhansk, so with a h sound rather than just a h sound. Luhansk in Ukrainian, or Luhansk in English. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me a lot. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more interesting names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.